So today we'll be launching kariSpark desktop, which is now the GUI part of kariSpark. Previously launched kariSpark CLI, but today we'll be launching kariSpark desktop. And so let's see it running. So there it is. And press back. Pause. Now, if I was to connect an Arduino Uno, for example, for you to see the detection, you can see it. It automatically detects and tells you the port you have. So I currently have COM13. So you have various sections. You have the upload section, which is this one. You have the download section. You have the transfer section and the verify section. We also have the update. Here is where you get update. You click update and checks for update. And so that's how it checks for updates. And right now we have our updates because this is the first version of kariSpark desktop. But basically this is kariSpark, and it offers all the same functionality as the CLI. So the same functionality you used to have in your CLI are the same functionalities you'll be able to get in kariSpark. And kariSpark desktop majors on safety. It is, emphasizes on safety. For example, if I was to click that I wanted to download the program on the Arduino Uno. For example, I say I want to download it and maybe save it. Let's say new firmware like that, and say save. So now it's downloading. So if I try to quit the application, it's agree for me to quit. Even if I say I want to disagree until all the background tasks are completed. So this ensures there is safety for your applications, and it ensures you cannot actually be able to corrupt the files or to corrupt your programs in the microcontrollers. So this is one of the major precautions that kariSpark desktop takes, and you can see it's loading now. For the one I'm using, it might bring an issue because it has some fault, but this is to demonstrate how kariSpark desktop works. Now, here's another safety measure. Now, right now, there's a process that is working on this port COM13. Now, if I want to another, now you can see it is because the reason I'm getting downloading from COM13 fail is because the Uno I have is faulty. This is what happens if there is an issue. It will just tell you that there was an issue. If I can try again, I want to show you something. So I say I want to download again, and the process starts. Now if I go to another section and I try to use the same port, it will tell me that the selected port COM13 is currently busy. This is one of the safety measures that kariSpark desktop takes to ensure that you do not try to access a port that is actually being utilized for a certain process. So it will the port you cannot be accessed from any other process until the current process which is using it has finished or is done with it. For example, even if I came here and trying to access it, it won't agree for accessibility until this port is done. At the same time, you can't quit the application until every background process that's been run by the application is done. And this is one of the major things about kariSpark. Also with kariSpark desktop, we've introduced subsequential updates. That means once you download this application, there's no more re-downloading once a new version has come. You just have actually to just update.